Hello. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing another unboxing because I really love unboxing, especially if I have new items to show to you guys. So we've got here a couple of goodies, and if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with this bag right here. So as you can see, it's from Sunrib, but the items inside are not from Sunrib. So what happened here is, okay. So the items inside are from Miniso. But then since my friend is ready to get rid of the bag, so I just decided to not ask bag from Miniso, but use the bag that my friend owns. So I got maybe 4 items from Miniso. So we have here wet tissue. So since I don't wash my face, I've decided to stock up with couple of wet tissue since I don't normally go downtown. So I've got here 4 wet tissue, 2 kinds. So this really looks promising. That's why I bought this instead of the ones that I really like from them. So here you go. So the first one right here, it says it brightens and clears your skin with vitamin C and witch hazel, and it's made in Korea. We all know that Korea is well known for making good skincare, very light skincare products. So that's the reason why that's also one of the reason why I've purchased this, because it says made in Korea. And then also the second one right here, it says retinol and watermelon, plump and hydrate. So also made in Korea and cruelty free and vegan. So I don't wash my face at night, so I really rely heavily on these wipes. So I'm happy that I've got 4 of them. I will do Gucci once I'm done with this package right here. So I bought 2 items from Macy's, and also aside from the 2 items, you know that they always have good deals and then they'll give you freebies. So maybe I should start with the freebies. So I've got here a plastic of free stuff. So are you interested of knowing what I received? Maybe I'll just show it to you, not all of it but some of them. So we have here this is the most remarkable free gift that I got from them. It's because I've never seen the big bottle, but look at that, it really looks so pretty. Like they really thought about it, and it's not the typical mini version or sample perfumes you will get. You know, it's like a mini version of a big bottle. So it's really cute. And then it really smells good. So that's from Clinique. Also, what else do I have in here? Let me remove one lipstick because I don't know why it's and also they give me an eye cream or eye treatment from Kiehl's. This one right here. Have you tested this one, guys? So some of these items, or the product, probably one of the product that I bought from Macy's, probably I will review it, make a separate video of it. And then also they gave me a sea mask and daily moisturizer from Nude Sticks, and others are just like really sample products. And also I don't know why they've included this, but it's a NARS. Oh, probably because I've purchased one of the items that I've purchased from them is makeup, so they've included a bronzer from NARS, and that's it, you know. So this one right here, this is the item that I got. I just want to try a cream blush on. I still haven't purchased the Selena liquid blush on, so that's why I've opted buying this. Right away, whatever. I bought this instead of the Selena product. So this is by the brand Nude Stick, and then look at the shade of that. It's too dark to be blush on, but I really think that this shade is perfect for my skin colors. So I'm gonna do a separate review of this item right here, and it has a free brush on the other tip of the product. So the color is right here, and the other side is the brush. Pretty, very promising. Second one is, so I'm so glad that I bought this item at a very, is it a very discounted price? But when it comes to the shadow product, they are really, for me, it is very pricey. So when I saw this, then when my friend told me that they have a sale, so I just checked and then I found this. So when I searched it online, the regular price when I saw it is 100, like 14 or $15, and then I bought this for $70. So I guess it's a big discount, and I'm happy that I get to try and purchase this and see if this is really effective. So it says here, lift, sculpt, brighten, lift, contour, eclat. So there you go. Let me see the container too, because the container is really pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So I still have a lot of skincare though that I haven't opened yet, so this can wait, I guess. I'm not gonna use this right away, so at least I have reserved in case some of like the items that I have there are already consumed. So I have this backed up. Okay, so those are the things that I got from Macy's. It's not a lot, but this really is the one that I am excited. And also this one right here. So like I've said, I'm gonna make a separate video of this product right here. I just purchased this recently, and this was unplanned. So I have wish list, but normally the things that always end up me buying is the items that aren't on my wish list. So this one was really sporadic or random, but no regret. I went to the store to purchase this, but they don't have my size, so they just ordered it for me and have it shipped in my house, or at my house, in my house. The thing is, they didn't give me a paper bag, so this paper bag is from my previous purchase from them. So what I got is just a big box, this carton right here, and this canvas bag, which it's really big, which I don't know how am I gonna use this. It's extra large. I'm a bit disappointed because the person that packed this didn't give she was not very thoughtful enough to give me a decent bag. But just for the sake, I guess, of giving a bag, they give me this extra super large one. So I don't know how I'm gonna use that. Anyways, let's just open this box right here. So this is a shoes. Okay, so when I went there, I just really want to check the horsebit bag, the horsebit, a Gucci horsebit 1955, because that bag to me is really striking and it's really classic. But buying a bag right now is not really my priority because I've already have a lot of bags. So and it's really pricey, so I just decided if I really want to bring something, maybe I should get a shoes, because it's more like affordable if you compared it to the bag prices. They are like 2,500, 2,300, which if you compare it with the shoes, then the shoes can only cost you probably like $800 or $900, which is still expensive. But that's my thought process. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, I got mule from them, and I got it in color ivory, or maybe white. So let's just say it's color white. So it's not really my kind of style, but this is really perfect for like warmer weathers and like a casual attire. And it's really classic, and I believe I could still use this when I get old, when I'm like around 50, 60, 70, because this design is just very, very classic. And then this one right here, it says Princetown Mule Malaga Kid, huh? So it's the size is 36 and a half. The sizing of Gucci is really confusing, and I'm still worried about this purchase because of the sizing, because the one that I have, the black one, until now it's still uncomfortable wearing it for hours. So it didn't stretch, so that's why buying a Gucci shoes is really, it's really giving me like so much doubt. But then the salesperson was very confident, and she said your size is gonna be 36 and a half. So I got 36 and a half. So that's what I got. And yes, guys, those are the things that I got. So those are the things that I really want to show to you guys, and after this then I can use them because we're done with the unboxing. So is it a waste of money? So I don't really, there's no remorse buyer here, because when it comes to shoes, it's just I buy things that I feel like I really want to buy, and I feel like it's really worth my money. Like, I don't think like it's a waste. And also my thought process is like, by buying expensive stuff like shoes, then you are really committed to using them and not get rid of them easily because they are really pricey. So it's crazy. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. I just love doing videos even though I have less viewers. So until next time, bye.